Welcome to escom-es. We are a young and dynamic company manufacturing innovative, environmentally friendly, wireless and batteryless sensor solutions in industrial and domestic areas. We would like to introduce you our expertise in energy harvesting technology and our vision for sustainability. By harnessing infinite energy sources, we have been able to reach previously unreachable data points by setting the sensors free with our wireless battery-free technologies that can harvest their own energy. One of the common failures in internal combustion machines used in power plants and marine industry is valve seizure or valve brake failure. It is known that the valves get stuck in time due to many factors and cause valve brake failure and following consequent damages. In traditional methods, two technical personnel carry out valve rotation counting by visual monitoring, which is never safe, reliable and continuous while the machine is running. This form of control is the only practice that has been used to prevent valve failures, however it cannot prevent. Valve brake failure and consequential damages costs millions of dollars to rectify. In order to receive data from the valve, a wireless battery-free solution that generates its own energy and can transmit the data wirelessly to the outside was required. The name of this solution is VaRoM. VaRoM is a valve rotation monitoring system designed for internal combustion engines. VaRoM, which is unique in the world, harvests its own energy from the movement of the valve despite all the difficulties in the working environment. VaRoM, which can be easily installed on valves of various machine types, eliminates the need for any wiring or batteries. It is equipped and designed with advanced sensors to wirelessly transmit rotation and temperature data of machine valves 24/7 and prevent malfunctions. VaRoM filters, analyses and interprets the data received from the sensors and works integrated with SCADA and other industrial connections via the hub by Bluetooth protocol. It also makes valve movements traceable and manageable with cloud technology. The cost of VaRoM, which is an effective solution to prevent valve failures 24/7 without personnel supervision, is much lower than the cost of two technical personnel employed for this counting and control work. VaRoM enables early detection of valve problems. By continuously monitoring valve rotation speeds and temperatures, it instantly alarms when it falls below or rises above a certain threshold, warns the operator or ensures that the machine is stopped safely by making the necessary intervention. Our adventure that started with VaRoM continues to push the limits with our technological solutions, CoRoM, PTIM, LITIM, CRAPES, which can receive data from inside the machine with different energy harvesting methods. Thanks to these technologies we have developed, it is now possible to reach all industrial machinery, equipment, components and moving parts that cannot be accessed, seen or heard, and to rewrite the predictive and preventive maintenance literature. Are you aware of the value of the data taken from any working machine in today's world, where data is worth gold? escom-es